Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube with my bike, no hands. Let's get right into it. Inspection. Oh shoot, that's actually a lot harder than... Maybe I can do it. Because I messed up, I'm going to solve the rest of it one-handed. Thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave it a like and hit the subscribe button if you're new. And if you guys want me to do this again, maybe do like it 3 times, do a 4x4, even a 5x5, who knows? That'd be kind of difficult, or a different puzzle than that. Just let me know in the comments. And yeah, see you guys all next time. Peace.